The HELLER machines are built to run 24/7, and the digital twin allows me to see in the digital world any problems or programming issues. So when it's time to go on the machine in the real world, I know everything is proved out, the dimensions are correct, the program is correct. It eliminates the downtime on the machine, so this saves a lot of money for the customers. My name is Alexander Tretniak. I'm the manager of the HELLER Technology Center. HELLER is a global machine tool builder known for high-quality CNC solutions. The most costly problem during a run-off on the machine is, of course, if an operator crashed the machine. If you damage a spindle or a table, this could be really expensive, and also the machine could be down a couple days. If you use the digital twin, this could avoid it.
My name is Dave Morley. I'm the Director of Sales for the Machinum digitalization software portfolio here in the Americas with Siemens. Siemens CNC software run MyVirtual Machine is the one-to-one replication software of our SINUMERIK hardware. It's the true NC kernel driving the digital twin, which is extremely important because it is containing the mechatronics and kinematics of the machine, so it knows how to accelerate and decelerate. So it is a true one-to-one simulation. More and more shop floors are actually embracing this digital transformation, and leveraging a digital twin is a very easy way to apply the technology that's available out there. There are a lot of solutions where you can simulate, but at the end of the day, they're emulators. We want to simulate one-to-one. What is this actually going to do, look like, feel, so you know the results, you believe in the results, and you can trust it.
Utilizing the digital twin has many benefits for a customer, especially reducing the downtime during the setup, proving out the process early to make sure that the part actually fit on the machine, the strokes are enough. Additionally, it's a really great tool for training because it's an exactly copy of the real machine from the customer.
The value this would bring to customers is 100% validation, the reduction in man hours in programming, accurate cycle time information, along with not crashing the machine. At the end of the day, that's one of the most valuable pieces.
So customers sometimes approach us to validate their part. Siemens makes this process really easy. So there was one particular operation where the head comes really close to the table, and with the simulation it helps me out to find out the right stick-out length of the tool, and it also was much easier to run it on the machine because I know it will clear.
If you're already a HELLER customer using the SINUMERIK control, it's a no-brainer to bring in the digital twin software. In customer conversations, when we're sharing this kind of information, they find this extremely valuable because they haven't had that level of transparency before. So getting that much more accurate at the end of the day, I would say, is almost invaluable.